So a cool little thing is this electroscope where I have, let's say, a comb. Doesn't really have any charge. You can see it move very slightly. If I put it here or touch it to something else, you can see it doesn't really have a charge. But as you can see in the shadow, if I comb my hair and then put it up to here, you can see that it is clearly electronegative, as the electrode wants to go towards the cone. And I can discharge this either with heat from the coffee cup I can also demonstrate this with pith balls. You see, the effect is I don't even have to touch it. And as you can see, there's really no voltage or potential across this. Comb my hair again. Spike. Isn't that cool?